Hello and welcome to the Wise Path. If you are starting a YouTube channel today, don't make the mistake of thinking you need expensive equipment or perfect editing. You don't. You need three things: the right audience, the right content, and reason for people to click. Here's how to build a channel from zero. Pick one clear audience. Don't make videos for everyone. Choose one specific type of viewer and understand what they want. Ask yourself, what problem can my channel help this person solve? If your audience knows exactly what they will get from you, they will much more likely to subscribe. Solve a real problem. Don't choose topics just because you like them. Choose topics people already care about. For example, how to stop procrastinating, how to build confidence, how to make better decisions, how to become more disciplined. The bigger the problem, the stronger the potential interest. Master the title, thumbnail. Before someone watches your video, they have to click it because your title should create curiosity. And instead of five instead of 5 as to become more confident, try you are destroying your confidence without realizing it. And don't repeat the title on the thumbnail. If the title creates the question, the thumbnail should create another piece of curiosity. Let us suppose title is you are destroying your confidence and the thumbnail is stop this. Now the viewer wants to know what this is. Win the first 30 seconds, and this is where your video either keeps the viewer or loses them. Don't start with hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Start with their problem. For example, you sit down to work upon your laptop and 5 minutes later you are scrolling your phone. You tell yourself you are lazy, but what if the real problem is something completely different? Now you have created a reason to stay. And don't make videos longer than they need to be. A 5-minute video that people actually watch is better than a 10-minute video people abandon after 1 minute. Remove unnecessary talking. Every section should either teaching something, tell a story, or create curiosity. If it does none of those, cut it. Use your analytics. Your analytics tell you what needs fixing. And high impressions plus low clicks. Improve the title and thumbnail. People click, uh, but uh, but leave the channel quickly. Improve the hook and content. Good retention but few subscribers. Give viewers a strong reason to stay. And don't look at low numbers as failure, look at them as feedback. Final message: so if you are starting a YouTube channel from zero, remember this: one audience, one problem, one strong promise, one clickable title, one powerful thumbnail, one great hook. Then repeat. You don't need a perfect channel, you need a channel that gets better with every video. And if you keep improving, eventually the algorithm isn't the only thing that changes, your skills changes too. If you are building your channel right now, subscribe to the Wise Path. We are building it one video at a time. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.